Alanke.com.
In this house?
Possibly.
Possibly. Okay. Whose location this is? Questioning. And now I'm going to take his fingerprints. Justin was being a little hostile. I'm going to keep him restrained. All right. I'm not going to unrestrain him. Sir, would you like try to do this? So roll it.
I think it was a valuable course, beneficial, and I think the students have gained a lot of experience to fight against terrorism in their respective sectors.
And now this is our little fingerprint card. You can use this, you can use anything. You can use an index card. All right. And roll it from edge to edge. All right, so let's get his left thumb there.
This course has enhanced knowledge to armed forces, all the sectors, in all the sectors, because it has an overall picture of the whole situation that is happening in Somalia, especially on the forces of AMSOM that are fighting Shabab.
And just roll his thumb on there like that. Okay. The nail to the other edge of the nail. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
I would have never thought of that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool.
Alanke.com.